The LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike is an impressive addition to the folding electric bike market, combining portability, performance, and user-friendly design. Weighing in at a manageable 53 pounds, this bike is specifically engineered for adults who seek a versatile commuting option that doesn't compromise on power or functionality. One of the standout features of the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 is its portability. The folding mechanism is remarkably intuitive. With a few simple steps, the bike easily collapses into a compact form that can be stored in tight spaces, such as an apartment or the trunk of a car. This is particularly beneficial for urban dwellers or those with limited storage space. The lightweight frame, constructed from durable aluminum, facilitates easy carrying and handling. Users will appreciate the convenience it offers for transport, whether you're hopping on the subway or taking it along on a road trip. Performance-wise, the XP Lite 2.0 does not disappoint. Equipped with a powerful 500W brushless motor, this bike achieves speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it one of the faster options in its class. The pedal assist feature enhances the riding experience, allowing riders to tailor their effort based on terrain and personal preference. With 5 levels of assist, it accommodates both leisurely rides and the need for a quick commute. The bike also features a throttle mode, which allows for pure electric power without pedaling, a boon for those who may want a break from pedaling uphill or during long stretches. Battery life is critical when it comes to electric bikes, and the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 excels in this area as well. The 48V12A lithium-ion battery offers a commendable range of 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the level of assistance and terrain. This makes it practical for various commuting distances, whether you are making a quick trip to the grocery store or embarking on a more extended journey. The battery is easily removable, allowing for convenient charging indoors, which adds to the overall user-friendly design. Riding comfort is another area where this bike shines. The spacious adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars ensure that riders of different heights can find a comfortable riding position. The bike's 20-inch tires provide a good balance between agility and stability, making it nimble enough for city traffic while also capable of handling uneven surfaces. The front suspension fork helps absorb shocks from bumps and potholes, contributing to a smoother ride. However, it's worth noting that while the XP Lite 2.0 handles well on moderate terrain, it may not be suited for extreme off-road conditions. Safety features are also a priority with the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0. It comes equipped with front and rear LED lights that enhance visibility during night rides, as well as reflectors that can be found throughout the bike. The mechanical disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, which is essential for navigating busy streets. However, some users may find the brake response slightly less sharp compared to hydraulic systems found on more expensive models. Nevertheless, for casual riders and commuters, the braking performance is adequate. The assembly of the bike is relatively straightforward, with most components coming pre-installed. The owner's manual provides clear instructions, and a few basic tools are included for final adjustments. This is a significant advantage for those who may not be mechanically inclined, as it minimizes the hassle typically associated with bike assembly. One of the most appealing aspects of the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 is its value for money. Priced competitively in the electric bike market, it offers a robust set of features that often come with higher-end models. The balance of performance, portability, and price makes it an attractive option for first-time electric bike buyers as well as seasoned cyclists looking for a reliable folding bike. In conclusion, the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike stands out as a versatile, user-friendly option suitable for various riding needs. Its blend of portability, performance, and comfort